And with that, let's take another look at your forecast. 4020 On's Robert Suhr with us tonight. Robert, not as humid today, and that certainly helped. Question is, can we put a string of these days together, or at least give us a little more relief?
I think we'll get one, maybe two. Maybe it'll stretch into Monday, and then the heat and humidity really start to come back with a vengeance, unfortunately, folks. But it is July, and so this is not unexpected, but it is unusual for this type of heat and the duration of the heat that we've seen. Fayetteville, you can see that's a gorgeous sunset over Fayetteville. It's still warm, very warm actually, but not as blazingly hot as it has been after reaching the triple digits yesterday. Just 93 today, shy of that record of 99 set back 11 years ago on this date. Look at this sky in Fort Smith. That is very, very nice on this Saturday evening. They did get to 100 again today. 106 the record. Well above your average, which is 94. Now today, that heat dome well off to our west. We're on the very edge of it, which is why we're seeing that northwest flow. Tomorrow, the heat dome unfortunately starts to march its way back in our direction, but we still have a northerly flow, a north-northeast flow. That will keep the humidity down for at least another day or so, but the heat will continue to build back in. Right now, it's not too bad outside. Lower 80s and upper 70s across northwest Arkansas. Meanwhile, in the River Valley, still 90 in Fort Smith as well as Greenwood at this hour. Charleston and Boonville. Look at Boonville. Still not buying that observation. I think that the instrumentation might be too close to a different type of heating source. They're always warm. There's that front sagging through, taking the clouds with it. As we go through the rest of the night, really not too bad. Very little cloud cover, no precipitation. Temperatures by lunch tomorrow into the 80s and the lower 90s by the time you're starting to get ready for dinner and settling into bed Sunday night, upper 70s, and then waking up Monday morning back to work, still in the 70s. Now, the attention turns to the Eastern Pacific, where we have, yes, Tropical Storm Darby has formed. That's the real name from the National Hurricane Center. Really a nice circulation here with Darby as it continues to slide to the west at 16 miles an hour. Darby is expected to become a hurricane, a Category 1 hurricane, as it slides its way out into the Eastern Pacific. We'll keep an eye on Darby as we go through the next couple of days. 60s and 70s. Oh boy, out there tonight, and then tomorrow back up into the 90s. Another warm day, but less humidity. That's the main thing. And then lots of sunshine for the next 7 days, with the outside chance for an evening sprinkle or shower Tuesday night and into Wednesday. You can see temperatures stuck in the 90s, with a couple of days once again above 100 degrees in the River Valley. Hot Monday and Tuesday, that's why they're impact days. Maybe a stray sprinkle in the overnight hours, Tuesday night and into Wednesday, before the heat continues. Stay with us. We'll continue this newscast with sports after the break.